There's nothing that grinds my gears. This grinds my gears a lot. This. Today, I'm gonna take a tour to my top two, I know, only two, favorite waterfalls to check out in Fundy National Park. Alright, so Dickson Falls is a beautiful waterfall, and depending on how you come in, you could be on top of it. There's tons of wood here, which makes it for easy walking. But I mean, at the same time, the stairs are kind of steep, but I mean, if you have mobility issues, it might be a bit of a challenge, but most people will find this fine. Now, Dickson Falls is the most popular waterfall here in Fundy National Park. The reason could be it's the easiest one to get into. Alright, so another favorite waterfall here in Fundy National Park is right underneath the 45 bridge. It's just amazing. And you know why I love this waterfall so much? It's not because it's a waterfall, there's a lot of water, because it's springtime. No, it's not that. It's because there's a covered bridge above it. Alright, so I know we're only talking about two waterfalls, but I love these waterfalls. This grinds my gears a lot. This right here. Yeah, a bed. Do you think the foxes need a bed out here? A box spring and a mattress? Do you think the wolves or coyotes are looking for a spot to rest their head? No, they've done it for thousands of years. They're gonna do it for 1,000 more without you supplying a bed. There's so many people that could use this bed. So many people. There's so many other things you could do with this bed than throw it in the middle of a park. Those springs, they're not exactly gonna decompose by tomorrow. They're gonna be around for a long time. So please, do not throw your shit out in a field.